Have you ever wondered what Amazon has been secretly working on to compete with ChatGPT? Well, today, I'm revealing everything about their mysterious chatbot project, Metis. Today, we're diving into some juicy insider info about Amazon's secretive chatbot project that's set to rival ChatGPT. Stick around, because this is big news you won't want to miss. By the end of this video, you'll know all about Metis's cutting-edge features, its potential launch date, and why it could be a game-changer in the AI world. So, let's get started. All right, let's get into it. Amazon has been quietly working on a new AI service designed to compete with ChatGPT. This secretive initiative, codenamed Project Metis, aims to bring a powerful new chatbot to the market. And the name Metis isn't just random. It's inspired by the Greek goddess of wisdom. Cool, right? So, what makes Metis special? It's powered by Amazon's own supercharged AI model called Olympus. This upgraded version of their existing Titan model promises to deliver smart, conversational text and image-based responses, similar to what ChatGPT offers. But here's where it gets interesting. Metis will use an advanced technique called retrieval augmented generation. This means it won't just rely on its training data. It will fetch and incorporate the latest information from across the internet into its responses. So, whether you need the current stock prices or the latest news updates, Metis should have you covered. Metis isn't just about chatting, though. It's expected to function as an AI agent, capable of automating and carrying out complex tasks based on data. Imagine Metis turning on your smart home lights, booking travel plans for you, and handling other automated processes. Sounds wild, right? Now, Amazon is a bit late to the AI assistant game, with competitors like Microsoft, Google, and OpenAI having rolled out their own chatbots almost 2 years ago. Insiders suggest that part of the delay is due to Amazon's existing AI tech not being quite up to par yet. But Amazon's CEO Andy Jassy is reportedly taking this project very seriously, with direct involvement in its progress. There's talk of a tentative launch for Metis around September this year, possibly timed with one of Amazon's big annual Alexa events. However, there's some skepticism about whether Amazon is too late to the party. Some insiders feel that while technically impressive, Metis might struggle to catch up with established competitors. Regardless of the challenges, it's exciting to see Amazon diving into this space. Competition and new alternatives are great for consumers and will likely push AI assistant technology forward even faster. I'm definitely keeping a close eye on any developments with Metis. So, what do you think about Amazon's Project Metis? Are you excited or skeptical? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.